Hi there, hope you enjoy this week's video. Bit of a mixed bag. The weather has been rubbish. We've not been anywhere because it's too cold and too wet. But we had a few little bits and pieces we needed to do on the boat, and I finally got something I've been wanting for ages. And I'm sure you'll see what that is. We also did a little repair job for our next door neighbour on one of his panels off of his engine. And we tried out the new window in our bimini. Hope you enjoy it.
Some of you may remember we did a repair to a Volvo Penta engine panel for David on Eternity. Well, this time we're going to do the same for Mr. Oka, our neighbour. We owe him a few favours, he's really helped us out, and it will save him a few bob as well. Plastic Padding have a product which is an epoxy called Super Steel, and it's just the job for repairing these. Here's how we did it.
Another crack on there.
Here we are, next day. This has had a second application of that epoxy. You see the corners there just starting to form the right shape, using the Scalpel, some needle files, straight edge. I've got a little India stone there to keep my scalpel sharp. So there's one that's almost done there. We've got that bit there to do. Carving the letters is going to be the hardest bit. That one's almost done, and then we'll just get a black pen like this, start colouring these in. Put your finger on that. That's it. And they'll start to look brand new. Hard to do with holding the camera in one hand and painting it with the other, but I'll show you when it's done.
I'm happy with everything apart from this corner, which I just can't seem to get it to align properly. I managed to sort of carve an A in the bottom of Penta was missing. So now I'm going to do all the white lettering. Happy?
Happy. Thank you.
Perfect. Okay.
It's perfect. Thank you very much.
So the woodworking tools are out. Chisels, saws, sharpening stone, bevel gauge, more chisels, wood, Forstner bits, teak, clamps, drills. Now this job has taken me 2.5 years to do. Yeah, and now I'm getting to do it. What am I making? Yep, they're still pecking away at that mountainside, and I've just finished with the first sanding. That will go in there. We'll give it some teak oil now, see what it comes up like. A little bit of sanding needed more in there, but thanks to Giles and his piece of teak, we're just about done. She now has a matching towel roll. Let's put the thing up in the right place. Hang on. And there, goes in there like that. Perfect. Matching teak, similar design, teak and mahogany. Job's a good one. Oh, nearly back. 6 miles to go. Motor sailing. You can see the new hatch, new plastic screen in the biminy's working well. It's bit dirty from the rain, but yeah, it works well. Very pleased with that. It's done a good job. The hatch at the front there in the spray hood, that works really well as well. We had that I had that open at anchor yesterday afternoon and evening. It was really nice. A little bit of breeze going through. Oh, we've just got to go round this headland here, and then we're in. Some oranges floating in the water there. I think they've come down the river. There's a river over here. Oranges everywhere, and lots of plastic as well. If we stopped and picked up every piece of plastic, we'd sink the boat.
You should see the city lights tonight. I don't think they've ever burned this bright. Did you know when how everything would turn out? We learned to run, we learned to fight. Sooner or later we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. I wanted to be saved before we lost our way. We were picture perfect, but below the surface I wasn't okay. I made it look the way. I'm saying you deserved it. Sometimes it just happens that way. Sooner or later we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew
Don't you dare say to me. So what have we...
Tell us about this week's video. Go on then.
Long enough that you cut that bit out.
Yeah.
And we tried out the new
Thingy.
Can't think what it's called. And we tried out the new window in our bimini. Hope you enjoy it.
Well, welcome to this week's video. Couple of things in it. No. Welcome to this week's video. We have a job I've been putting off for 2.5 years. What else?
You helped Mr. Oka with his engine panel?
Oh yeah, Mr. Oka's panel. And we tried out the thingy.
Window in the bimini.
Window in the bimini.
Window in the bimini.
Okay, enjoy the video guys, we'll see you at the end.